Hey everybody, Mike Brailsford with Brailsford Woodworks. Thank you for joining me back on my channel today. Today I have a special guest. With me I have...
Leighton Matthew Brailsford.
And who are you? I mean, how are you related to me?
I'm your grandpa.
Yes, I'm your grandpa. There you go. Alright, so today Leighton asked if we could turn a little bowl. I've got a little piece of cherry here, and we're going to try to turn this into a little bowl for him. And at the same time, I'm going to start to try to give him some instructions so he can move towards doing his own bowls. So, here we go. Okay, Leighton, this tool is called a bowl gouge. This one is a 5/8 bowl gouge, and this is called the grind, okay? And this grind is called a thumbnail grind. And we're going to use this to shape the outside of the bowl. We're going to work from here and move up like that.
Grandpa, are we also allowed to sand it?
Yeah, we will sand it when we get to that point. I don't know if we'll put color on it because cherry is pretty special wood. It's got a nice color of itself. Okay? All right?
Okay.
I'm going to scoot you over just a little bit so I can have some room here to help. All right. What you want to do is we want to take small cuts. Okay, put your hand here. Okay, you want this to be facing about like that. Okay, and as you move it, you want this piece here, the grind. You want the grind to be pointing in the direction you want to go. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so what we're doing right now is we're just trying to get it generally round, okay?
Okay.
All right. And what you want, this hand, your front hand, its only purpose is to keep pressure down on the tool rest. This is the tool rest, okay? This hand back here, your right hand, does all the steering, okay? And how did I say we want it? We want to be just like that, okay?
We get the corner.
So that cut that we're doing, like this, we call that a push cut. Why do you think that is?
Because
we're pushing it. We're pushing the tool up through the wood.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
All right, you ready?
Can you get some of this stuff out of the way?
We sure can. You know what? You're going to get a lot more of it before you have less. So let's work through it, and then we'll get you all shaken out later. Okay? Okay, we're going to come out. We're going to sweep in. Step over. Step over a little bit. Oh. Okay.
And it's even called split and steel. It can also be
Oops.
called. It can also be.
Some of that glue's coming out of the crack, so I'm gonna hit it with this stuff again. Looks funny, huh? Oh, I'm about out of my accelerator. Have to do more scraping. That's set for a bit.
When are we gonna put the hole inside?
Well, we got to finish the outside first, and then we got to put something that we can grab on in order to do the bowl from the scoop out the bowl. Okay. Ready?
Can I do the outside part and you do the inside part? Still dripping out.
Yeah, it's still, we got to let it set for a bit. We clamp it on here so we can turn the bowl around, do the other side. All right, let's form the tenon, then we can sand, you can sand the outside of the bowl, okay? Okay, now we got to put a dovetail on here so that the chuck will grab it better. So you see how I now cut that so it's slanted back inside? That's called a dovetail. Okay?
Okay.
All right, Layton.
What are we gonna do now?
We're going to take this off. And then
Put on this thing. The gap thing.
we got to take this off, and then we're going to put it on the chuck. All right, so let's go take. Let me get my driver, and we'll take this off. Whoa, huh? Heavy. We're making a bowl. Now ask your question again.
I'm not sure why it.
You wanted to know why we're doing it out here at the end of the lathe?
No, I don't know.
We doing that because we can work from the end of the lathe now and not have to reach across. How would that be, huh? Wouldn't that be nicer?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Pull your sleeves up. Okay, here we go. Oop, wrong way. All right. So you got your hand up here. All right. First thing we're going to do is get it flat. Okay. Let's see if we're flat.
It looks like it.
Nope, you got to get rid of that. Okay, we're good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make scooping motions. We're going to start in the middle. We're going to scoop, 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 till we work all the way across, going deeper each time. Okay?
Okay.
Here we go. End up further. So now we got to check the thickness of the walls and the thickness of the bottom. How do you think we do that?
We use this.
We use this. And we clamp it on here. Guess what? It tells us how thick the walls are over here. Let's check the bottom. We can take a tiny bit more off the bottom because we want it to be about the same thickness as the walls. See? See how thick that is? Look how thick that is. Over here, look. See? There and there. Okay?
Okay.
So looks like we got to take off about 3/8 of an inch.
Can I try clamping it? Can you try that?
Sure.
We need a little more.
Yeah, we need to do a little bit more.
Like 2 more scoops.
I think maybe a few more than that. But we'll try. Keep it back, okay? Not yet, not yet. And you always have to have it touching the rest before it touches the wood, okay? Let's check that.
It's the same.
No, it's thinner. It's thinner. Okay. I actually think that's probably pretty good. Okay? So,
Is that it?
that's it. Now we gotta sand it. Okay? You know what? I'll sand a bowl real fast. And then we will put it on so we can take that tenon off the bottom. Okay? Alright, so step back over there.
Am I How do you put wax on? Ew, look at that shirt. What do you use this shirt for?
Take some wax. Like that. Rub it on.
Does that what makes it that color?
Kind of, yeah.
And then after that, you can put the crest on it on the.
Then we buff it out with another rag. Okay. Like that.
And then after we buff it out with another rag, we're done. We're done with it after that. After we put the stick. Well, look at the color that it makes it. And then we just need.
That's cherry. Cherry's beautiful. And it'll get even more red as it gets older. Alright, so let's take
Is
this
that
off.
why it's called cherry?
Because it's the kind of trees that cherries come from.
Is it done?
That part.
Oh yeah, you need to get the bottom off. The bottom part off. The bottom part's off.
That's what we use this. This is called a coal jaw.
How do you get the bottom thing off? Okay.
That's what we're going to do right now. Maybe. Over. Woo, just got lucky. All right, so that holds it on there, okay? Now we can put this here and take that bottom off. Okay, everybody. Layton and I finished his bowl. Show it off, Layton. Let everyone see it. And what kind of wood is that?
A cherry tree.
It is a cherry tree. Yep, it sure is. And you got your brand on the bottom? Because you're a Brailsford too, so it works for you as well. All right. So, thank you everybody for watching. Please click like and subscribe if you've gotten any value out of this. Please leave me comments, pro, con, indifferent. I don't care. I answer every one of them. And everybody, please have a happy holiday. Bye-bye.
Bye.